Here, don't go. Look at the bird. Small bird. Wait. Wait. Wow. Why you should not? I'll try. It's so sweet. So sweet. It's not a sparrow. I know. Wow. It's over there. No, it's not a sparrow. Oh, it's so cute. এই পাখিটা স্টোরের মধ্যে ঢুকে গেছে। Go easy. Where is gone? You saw it? Did you see? Oh, it's. We are looking for the bird. We're gonna release outside if we can catch it. No, it's over there somewhere. We're gonna try to find it. It's okay.
Like find a needle and a haystack.
Yeah. It came over here, I think, no? Oh, I think we lost it. No, it didn't go there. No, it's somewhere. We lost it. Look down, bro. Look down. No? Hiding somewhere now. A pakhita is small, very small. It's hard to see.
You see a bird? Yeah. Where'd he go? That way?
Yeah, that's what we last saw.
Is he that low?
Yeah, he came down. If we can catch it. No, but
He's a black and yellow one.
yes. Do you know the name? Finch? Okay. Finch is a different one. Finch usually get bigger. It's okay, bro.